Yeah, silver price is exploding. 2054 right now. And the question is, are you guys going to sell your silver or buy? For me, I'm not gonna sell any silver right now. I'm just gonna wait till it hit $22 US per ounce spot price, and then I probably just going to sell some of my silver stock. Maybe 20% of my silver stock that I don't need. I don't really need to keep, so I can get some cash and then wait till silver goes down again, the spot price, and buy some more. Right now I'm gonna get a profit with the silver purchase that I made last couple of years, and I'm paying like $14 per ounce US. So I'm gonna use that profit to buy more silver when the silver spot price goes down again, like even in $16 mark, like spot price. It goes down again with that $16 per ounce spot price. I will purchase more, so that way I can get more silver. But it's my own like a plan to do once it hit $22, and then I'll probably move some of my stock, 20% of my stock. That's what I'm gonna do, and that's my plan. Anyways, I just want to make a short video, and I thought I just share you some of my silver stock, but none of this stock right here or silver. This is not the one I'm gonna move. I have something else like generic rounds. These are my collections, and it's gonna stay for me for a while until you know. And this constitutional silver, I'm probably gonna keep that too for a while. Only generic rounds I'm gonna sell in generic bars. These are some of my art bars. Yeah, it's gonna stay for me for a while because I always you know, having fun touching them and checking each one of them sometimes when I'm not doing anything. It's so nice to see them again. Yeah. Anyways, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you have a good day. And I'm gonna keep watching with the silver spot price because it keeps getting, you know, higher and higher from the last couple of weeks, right? Well, once it hit $22 US per ounce, spot price wise, I'm probably gonna move right away some of my generic silver bars and rounds. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.